On Zoom, you can access your settings at any time from your app. So when you open the app from your apps launcher, you're going to want to make sure you're logged in. And then up here in the top right-hand corner, you'll see a gear. If you click that, that'll open up your settings. The one that you probably want to make sure is checked is this top one right here under video, enable mirror effect. And what that does is if you ever do anything with writing in Zoom where you maybe have to write down an answer on a whiteboard or a piece of paper and hold it up to your camera for your teacher to see, it makes it so that they can read it. Because when you're holding it up, how your camera picks up text is it actually shows it to the other people backwards. And then we can't read it because we don't know how to read backwards. But enable mirror effect flips that, so flips your image so that we can read it just like you can read it. So how you see your writing will be how we see your writing. So we recommend having this checked. Another setting that you might want to look into if you find you're having a lot of microphone issues, maybe your microphone's always way too loud or way too soft, you can try checking this box here, automatically adjust microphone volume at the bottom. Sometimes that helps. Sometimes it makes it worse. So you just need to play around with it and see. If it makes it worse, you can always check it off. But if you find you have microphone issues, sometimes that will help a little bit. And again, you can get to your settings by clicking this little gear in the top right of your Zoom app when you have it open. Just make sure that you're signed in first, otherwise it won't be.